everyone to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how you can log in into the Quora account of yours in the desktop. So to begin the process, open a desktop browser on your PC. You can use any browser to get logged in into the Quora. I'm using a Google Chrome. On the Google Chrome, tap open a new tab and on the search bar type in Quora.com and press enter. It will direct you to the official web page of Quora. Here on the login page of Quora, you can type in your email address and password to get logged in. You can also log in with the Google and Facebook if you have linked your Quora with these accounts. Now I'm going to type in the email address first and below type in the password. Then tap on login. This will get you logged in into the Quora very easily. So this is how you can log in Quora in desktop. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.